Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to import a DWG or DXF file from AutoCAD or other programs. First, I'll open a new project. After the project is open, I'll click in the top left on File and then on Import. In the next step, I'll select Import again. Now I'm going to select the DWG file that I wish to import. If you click Show Preview in the window, a small preview of the file will be displayed on the right. This is very helpful to ensure that you have chosen the correct file. After I have checked the file, I click Open. A new window then opens, which shows the import wizard. First, I'm going to adjust the scale here. Since I know my project was exported in feet, I'll set the option in Measurements to feet. To make sure that my scale is set correctly, I measure a known distance, one that I'm very familiar with. To do that, I click on the top on Measure Distance. This measurement should then be approximately the same as the original, which confirms that my scale has been accurately calibrated. Furthermore, it's important for you to know that if you click on the Colors option, you'll see different colors displayed for various lines, particularly if the DWG file originated from AutoCAD. A white color scheme should not be used for a line, because AutoCAD files are usually drawn with white on a black background. If you import those lines, you wouldn't be able to see them on a white background. Therefore, you should select a different color. Additionally, under the Layer section, you can choose which layers should be imported and which ones should be ignored. There is also the Selection Area option, which allows you to select only specific regions so that the entire DWG file is not imported. To do that, you click at the top on Set Area for Selection, and then draw the area you wish to import. This way, you can import only this specific area. With the Line Style option, you can set styles for the lines. Once everything is set, I click OK. The DWG file will now open, and it's attached to my cursor. I can place it wherever I want by making a left click. My DWG has now been imported. Now I can click on each line and edit it individually. Should the entire project be grouped and I'm unable to click individual lines, I first select the whole project. Once I've selected the entire project, I right-click and go to Edit and then Ungroup. This ungroups the lines, allowing me to click and edit each one individually. It is important to know that a DWG or DXF file contains only 2D elements and no 3D elements. If you want to have a 3D view in your project, you will need to trace the project using the walls from the catalog. This method works exceptionally well with a DWG file, as this particular option allows you to quickly generate a comprehensive 3D model. If you prefer not to have a 3D model, you can also easily edit the file in 2D mode, enabling you to switch various lines or labels on or off to significantly enhance overall clarity. Finally, you can also export the file again and then forward it, for instance, to the architect or for various other purposes. That concludes this tutorial. I truly hope that you are now well prepared to import and edit DWG and DXF files within your projects.